Let's discuss our daily routine. How do you express the activities that you do when you get up early in the morning until you go to bed? What is the correct tense that you have to use for this purpose? Let's discuss how to express your daily routine using the correct tense. Here are some activities that my family and I do. These are part of our daily routine. I get up at 6 in the morning. My mother gets up at 5:30 in the morning. I read books at home. My father reads newspapers. We have our evening tea at 4 p.m. My brother plays computer games in the evening. My mother and I prepare dinner at 7 p.m. We all go to bed at 9 p.m. What are these highlighted words in these sentences? All these highlighted words are verbs. It means action words. Let's check them out. Can you identify the verbs in those sentences? Yes, I hope you can. The verbs in all those sentences have listed into two sections here. In the first section, you can see the verbs get up, read, have, prepare, go. In the other section, you can see the verbs gets up, reads, plays. What is the difference you notice in these two sets of verbs? In the first section, you can see the verb root, but in the second section, you can see the letter S has added to each verb root, and the verbs are formed gets up, reads, plays. Now let's talk about the formation of the verb in these sentences. If the sentence begins with a plural subject, the verb to will be plural in form. Example, we sing songs every day. Who sings songs every day? We. The word we is the subject, and it is in plural form. So you have to use the verb sing. We sing songs every day. Look at the second example. My mother and I clean the garden once a week. So the subject is my mother and I. It is in plural form. So you have to use the verb root clean. Look at the third example. My friends visit me every evening. Who visit me every evening? My friends. My friends is in plural form, so you have to use the verb visit. My brother and I help my parents every day. Subject is plural, my brother and I. So the verb should be plural in form. If the sentence begins with a singular subject, the verb also needs to be singular in form. Example, my mother drinks coffee in the morning. Who drinks coffee in the morning? My mother. So the subject, my mother, is singular. So the verb also is in singular form. Look at the second example. My father does his morning exercises daily. Third example, my brother rides bicycle every evening. In both sentences, you can see the subject is singular and also the verb is given in singular form. How are these singular verbs formed? You have to add S sound at the end of the verb root. Drink plus S drinks, do plus ES does, ride plus S rides. Let's learn SVO concept. Subject, verb, object. Chenali washes her clothes daily. What is the subject of the sentence? Chenali. How do you know it? You can ask the question to get that answer. Who washes her clothes daily? So the answer is Chenali. Chenali is the subject. In this sentence, the subject Chenali is in singular form because it indicates only one person. Now what is the verb of the sentence? What does Chenali do daily? She washes her clothes. So the verb is washes. It is also given in singular form. What is the object of the sentence? What does Chenali wash daily? The answer is her clothes. The words her clothes is the object of this sentence. So, SVO concept helps you to form a grammatically correct sentence. Can you tell me the singular form of the following verbs? How to spell the singular form of these words? Study. Study, studies. STUDIES. The last Y changes into I when there's a consonant before the letter Y, and then you have to add ES to the verb. Do, does. DOES. Brush, brushes. BRUSHES. Write, writes. WRITES. Fly, flies. FLIES. What is the tense we used to talk about daily routine and for the other examples? It's simple present tense. Now let's go through some more examples to understand simple present tense. I study English. She studies English. They do homework. He does homework. We brush teeth twice a day. Seerthi brushes her teeth twice a day. They write answers. Tisuli writes answers. Birds fly in the sky. A bird flies in the sky. What are the uses of simple present tense? Simple present tense is used to talk about daily routine, to talk about our habits, and to talk about permanent actions. In this video, you learned simple present tense and its uses. Now click the link in the description box and do the quick test. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the video, and also subscribe the channel Academic Mind. Enjoy learning with us. Have a good day.